bicycles. Going into Walmart with Grandma and daughter Emily. On the RV aisle at Walmart. I like this broom. Mats. A lot of cool stuff. Yeah, this is what I was wanting to look at. Get me some LED marker lights. Now we're in the painting section, looking for some paint.
I'm in Walmart with Grandma. Me and Grandma shopping. Looking for daughter in Walmart. Hello.
Now we're looking at some important stuff here. Name it.
Polecads. We grab you. Captain America. Iron Man. Iron Man.
So hey, while I'm here, let's take a look at the RVs here. Looks like a few new pulled in. One over here, one over here. But hey, there are RVs in the Walmart parking lot. I'll be out here soon. I gotta be part of this crowd. Walmart boondocking! Alright guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome, and finally getting around to changing this oil. Got all my tools, I think, so let's crawl under here. Well, first things first, let's go ahead and pop this oil pan plug. Ah, there we go. Everybody tells me I shouldn't have got another flam filter, but I already bought it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. But I'm gonna change my oil again about halfway through the summer. Alright, here we go. Ah. Well, a lot of stuff under here, I tell you what. Now the hardest part about doing this entire oil change is look where they put the oil fill. So I have to rig up something to come out of here. It's crazy. Alright, so we're in the bedroom here. And this is where my engine is. Just have to undo these big latches here. And then, whoa, that lifts up. Let me put it up. So now I got the thing propped up there. So there's the top of my engine, my diesel, 6.5. Everybody says these were underpowered. From what I hear at the time though, they were trying to make an economical motorhome. Yeah, right. I do not see any place to put oil in on top of the motor, so I have to put it in through that fill spout. There we go. Helps when you do it the right way. Okay, let's pull this thing off. See if we can do it without making a mess. Whoa. Well, I went ahead and filled up the other one full of oil. And lubricated that gasket. Well, I kind of rigged up this concoction. And we'll see if it makes it easier for me to pour it in. Okay, so we got the oil change. So my next project is, I have two lights on the back that are not LED. So I'm going to put these on, and the entire back and the sides will be LED. Then all I have is the front markers. Plus we also bought some of these Thermacell refills before they were gone because they go fast. I don't know if you guys have ever used a Thermacell, but man, they work excellent to repel mosquitoes. And I should know because there's a lot of mosquitoes in Alaska. Alright, so I just moved the RV, drove around the block, and sitting there running.
Well, that's it for me today, guys. So remember, travel safe. See you next time.